guys for being with us. Thank you very much for supporting me guys. Guys, for today's video guys, we make smoked salmon crab rolls. Ito na guys, yung pang pastry. Ito na yung ating smoked salmon cleared na. Ito na yung mixture ng ating crab. So may lemon juice yan, salt, pepper, mixed peppers, onion, a little bit of mayonnaise. And then some of sesame, right? You're gonna roll it now. Peace. Napakaangas nito guys. By Chef Mike recipe. So, ito, naroon na siya. Lagyan natin ang igwa siya. Ito po siya yung
Shout out guys!
shout out sa lahat. Welcome to my life. Oh, welcome to my vlog guys. Yan, napakaangas ito guys. Yan. Hop. Lagay natin yan yung wash please. Para napakaangas. Yan, tigagawa natin yan. Tapos, i-bake natin yan guys. Pag naluto, saka natin iway. Napakaangas yan guys. Alright.